Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you what you can make from an old shower hose with a shower head. First of all, we'll need a 50cc syringe, remove the plunger and cut two parts from it. Sand the cut parts and drill holes in them. Now put on the rubber seal, also make holes in it, and mount all of this onto the motor. Next, cut off a small part of the tube and drill two holes in it. You need to insert the motor into the tube, wrapping a bit of electrical tape around it so it fits tightly. You need to glue the tubes, which I made from a 5 ml syringe, into the drilled holes. Solder the wires to the motor. As you can see, we've made a small water pump out of a syringe. Next, we'll need two end caps for a 110mm sewer pipe and any elbow, from which you need to cut off a part. You also need to cut off a part of the cap. Now drill a small hole in the cap and then enlarge it. Glue a threaded fitting for the shower hose into the drilled hole. Also, apply sealant to the cap and glue it into the cut-off part of the elbow. Inside the cap, we make a mount for the pump, which we made from a syringe. Now you can insert the pump, put the hose on it and route it out, sealing everything with sealant. Cut off the excess part of the hose. Next, you'll need an 18650 battery, which I attach inside using double-sided tape. To charge the battery, you need a TP4056 board. And the last thing you need to secure is a sensor called a reed switch. Attach it at the very bottom and then connect everything according to the diagram shown on the screen. Here's how everything turned out. I soldered another connector in parallel to the one on the board. Let's take a magnet and check if everything works. As you can see, the pump turns on. Now you need to make two holes in the other plug. Take a 5 ml syringe and make a sealed chamber for the charging connector out of it. Glue the barrel into one of the holes you made, then insert the connector into it and secure it with hot glue. That's it. Water won't get into the connector anymore. Insert the rubber gasket and close the cap. Cut off the unnecessary part and seal everything with sealant so that no water gets in. Next, take a magnet with a hole, thread the zip ties through it, and attach it to the body of our homemade device. As you may have guessed, the magnet here acts as a button. Contact with the reed switch activates the pump. Now we unscrew the nut, which was only there to help the fitting stick well, and attach the shower hose. At this stage, the homemade device is finished and we move on to testing it. As you can see, this turned out to be a portable shower. For example, you can take this homemade device to your summer house. If there's no water, just bring a small bottle, enough for washing up. The water consumption here is minimal, and a single bucket is enough for several people to wash up. This homemade device will also be convenient for camping or fishing trips. You can throw it into a river and use it to wash yourself. The advantage of this device is that you can always recharge it, and if you have a good battery, it will last for a long time. Also, if that's useful, this homemade device can be used for watering plants. If you liked this video, please give it a like, share it with your friends, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell. Thanks for watching, goodbye everyone.